Okay, what we're going to do today is see how to take a video that has been made on an iPad and cut it. We want to trim it down so the video can be broken into parts for possibly emailing or uploading to a wiki or doing something online where you need a smaller file size. First off, I've created a video. I will open this up. And before I do anything, I want to show you that if I go to Photos, there's my list of photos, I can show you the video clip I made. If I touch up here and touch this photo, I can shift this to different points, but nothing's really happening. The problem is you can only trim in the camera video program. So I'm going to close back out of this, go to my desktop, and I'm going to look for my camera. Right here is my camera. When the camera comes up, down here in the bottom left, I can bring up the video or the camera rows. But remember, even though it's showing us this, I'm still doing it through the camera program. Now, if I touch over here, if I touch here, you can see it lights up yellow. Okay? That's letting me set it up to trim. So I'm going to take and I'm going to light this up yellow and stretch this down to about half of this 37-second video. Up here in the right hand corner it says trim. When I push trim, it comes up and says trim original or save as new clip. You do not want to trim original unless you are wanting to get rid of all of the other stuff. Since we're just breaking this up, we want to keep everything, so we have to go to save as new clip. If you don't do that, you're going to lose all of the rest of the video, and if you were doing this for something really important, you will not have it back. Notice now it's come back up, it has the video, but it is just that section of that clip that I've saved now that's here. So I'm going to have to go back to my camera roll. This is the new piece I added. Go back to that original video I had, open it back up, but now I'm going to have this lit up, but I'm not going to do that end. I'm wanting this other end. Make sure I have all of that there. And if you're wondering where you want to cut it, you can slowly move this along and see that you're looking at whatever video it is. So find a point that you're wanting to cut it at. So here I'm going to trim this piece. So now here again, save as new clip. I've gone through this, I've saved that piece now. If I go back and I go back to camera roll, there's a 19-second and there's a 20-second, so I've overlapped just a little bit, but it is those two videos. And now, simply putting on this, I can go up right here and I can email the video, copy the video, send to YouTube, or however you want to move it along. But that is going to be the easiest way for you to cut or trim some videos that is free, that is built on the iPad, rather than having to load it up. And that is the lesson for today.